Researching the market for a 2010 Audi A3. This well-presented vehicle could be just right for you. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Low emissions and the good fuel economy offered in this vehicle are important to you and to the environment. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: climate control, central locking, power windows, a CD player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. If safety is a concern, know you are covered with this vehicle's features. Call today to schedule a test drive.